everybody.
I'm going to start off by filling in my brows, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Benefica brow in number 4. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation, and for that I'm going to go ahead and use this Marc Jacobs Re-marcable foundation, and this one I'm in the shade 44 Golden Medium. Now for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium. I'm going to go ahead and blend my concealer using this Morphe brush, E45. So now to set my face, I'm going to go ahead and use this Nye Neutral Set powder. I'm going to go ahead and use this palette to bronze my face. I'm using this color right here. This is the one from It Cosmetics. It's called Live Love Laugh Vitality Disc. I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyes, and then I'm going to finish the rest of my face once I'm done with my eyes. I'm going to take the Subculture palette. I'm going to take Edge right here. So I'm going to take Edge and I'm going to apply that to my crease. Just tap it very, very lightly and just apply that to my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Lime Crime Venus palette, and I'm gonna use Creation, which is this one right here. I'm also going to take that same eyeshadow and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. And I'm applying that just on the lower lash line and connecting it with the top so that the both ends meet right here. And same thing on the other side. And now I'm going to go ahead and take Icon from the same palette right here. And I'm going to apply that to my outer crease. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Mousse, which is this reddish color here, and I'm going to apply that to my crease.
Peaches.
Yeah.
I wish fruit, real ones, those little fruit ones like we had when I was 3.
Oh yeah.
Those were so delicious.
That was so good.
I have these kind of fruit in my house at class.
Yeah.
Peaches.
Now I'm going to take Icon and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line.
But peaches.
Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the Subculture palette and I'm going to take New Wave. I'm going to apply New Wave to my lid. So New Wave right here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply some liquid liner. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and use this Swing eyeliner from the Balm. So I applied eyeliner on both eyes now. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. And I'm going to apply this eyeliner and my waterline. This is from MAC and this is in the shade Costa Riche. So I'm going to apply this in my waterline as well. So I'm going to let the mascara dry and I'm going to finish the rest of my face before I apply false lashes. So now I'm going to apply some blush, and the blush that I'm going to use is this one from N Wild. This is the apricot in the middle. So now for highlight, I'm going to go ahead and use this from Dose of Colors. This one's the Desi and Katie collaboration. And this one's in the shade Mirame. I'm also going to take this highlighter and apply this to my inner corners. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my false lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and finish off with the lips. And for the lips, I think I want to go with the red color. So I'm going to take this one from NYX. This is in the shade Monte Carlo. This is one of their soft matte lip creams. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. And I think I'm going to apply a darker lip liner underneath. So let me grab that. But first I'm going to go ahead and apply this lip liner. This is Burgundy from MAC. So I'm not so happy with this color, so I want to darken it up a bit. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take this one from Tarte. This is in the shade XOXO. And this is more of a orangey red, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this over top of this one. Okay, you guys, so I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.